Welcome back to Jumoke's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious rice. I call it vegetable rice because it's easier and healthy. So you have 2 plum tomatoes, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 onions. You're going to chop it up into little pieces and add it to the blender. I'm using a food processor. I'm adding some super greens with wild red arugula. It's very beneficial. So for those that don't like eating vegetables, they can blend it this way and add it to their pasta or to their rice. So you blend it, add some garlic and some ginger to it. Okay, then blend it again till it's smooth. Once that is done, you're going to get a pan and put butter and some ghee in the pan. Heat it up and then add the blended pepper mixture in there. Add some seasoning. Whatever seasoning you want, you can add it to that. I'm adding bay leaf, chicken seasoning, curry, thyme, salt, and chicken seasoning. Add your white rice to the pepper mixture. At this time, mix and add a little bit of water so that way it can cook through and it's not hard to eat. Just a little bit. Then once you have this done, you're going to cover it up with the parchment paper and cook on low heat. Okay, cover it and cook on low heat. But you should be checking this occasionally to make sure that it's done. This is what it looks like when it's done. I'm going to add some butter again to just get the flavor into that rice, and I'll keep the rice separated enough, clump up together. So you mix that, you cover it up with parchment paper again and still cook on low heat. Okay, and then once that is done, this is what it looks like when it's done. You can pair this up with some plantains, with some protein of your choice. I'm pairing mine with some eggs. Try this because if you don't like eating vegetables or seeing vegetables, you can hide the vegetables in your dishes. This is another way to do it. Very delicious. My kids like it. Thank you. Comment below if you like this recipe, and please share and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.